Ukrainian infantry took cover under a container in the Kupiansk area. A Russian drone detected their position and struck, demonstrating the range and precision of modern drones. The footage highlights the challenges infantry face in exposed urban environments. Neutralization of an enemy position in a basement by FPV drone operators of the 144th Division in the Krasnoarmysk direction. The Russian fiber-optic drone located a Ukrainian pickup truck. An infantryman in the rear attempted to engage the drone but was unable to disable it. In the final moments, he appears to have leapt clear of the vehicle as the situation rapidly unfolded. In the Kherson area, 2 individuals wearing civilian clothing were observed concealing military equipment. The concealed assets were later identified through aerial reconnaissance and subsequently targeted by drone strikes, resulting in the equipment being disabled. The drone operator carried out a well-planned ambush against enemy forces. Positioned near the roadside, he observed an approaching ATV and remained patient. Once the vehicle moved within effective range, he activated the drone and executed the strike, leaving the ATV no opportunity to evade. (2025) Russian POV. Fiber-optic FPV drone operators from the OWL battalion of the Ural Brigade engaged an enemy infantry group. During the strike, one soldier was seen attempting to defend himself by throwing his rifle at the incoming UAV, illustrating both the intensity of the engagement and the effectiveness of precision drone operations against exposed personnel. Ukrainian Armed Forces personnel move into positions along a forest belt, using the trees and terrain for concealment during frontline operations. For a brief moment, the area appears quiet. Then a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone approaches overhead. The soldiers notice the incoming UAV only at the last moment, as the drone rapidly closes the distance while maintaining stable visual tracking through its fiber-optic control system. With little time to react, the position suddenly becomes exposed under constant aerial observation. In one sector of the front line, a Russian FPV drone operating in free-roam mode discovered 2 Ukrainian soldiers hiding at the base of a tree. One of the soldiers opened fire at close range, but his shots failed to stop the drone. A Russian FPV drone struck a Ukrainian infantry pickup truck operating in the Kherson area. The vehicle had already sustained prior losses, with casualties visible in the rear. The strike further disabled the transport, underscoring the persistent risks faced by frontline logistics and troop movements under continuous drone surveillance and attack. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operator detects a Ukrainian serviceman riding a supply ATV during ongoing frontline operations. Using stable visual tracking from above, the drone follows the vehicle across exposed ground before moving in for the strike, with surveillance footage capturing the engagement. Russian forces are shown carrying out an aerial flower drop at a World War II memorial in the Kherson region, commemorating the memory of those who fought during the war. At night, with no light sources to rely on, Ukrainian forces could only hear the buzzing of approaching Russian drones. VT-40 FPV drones tracked Ukrainian infantry throughout the night. Share your thoughts on the video in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Open ground, nowhere to disappear. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operator scans a wide field during an active reconnaissance sweep. For several moments, the terrain appears empty, just exposed earth and scattered vegetation stretching into the distance. Then sudden movement. A lone Ukrainian serviceman emerges across the field, moving quickly with no visible cover nearby. The drone immediately adjusts course. Using the stable fiber-optic connection, the operator maintains precise control while tracking the soldier's movement from above. Every change in direction is matched instantly as the distance rapidly closes. The serviceman continues running across the exposed terrain, searching for protection, but the open field offers little concealment. Within seconds, the drone commits to the engagement. On another part of the front, Russian FPV drone operators detected multiple Ukrainian infantry positions. Each strike carried out was highly precise and directed at clearly identified targets. A Lancet munition struck a natural gas storage facility utilized by the Ukrainian armed forces in the village of Semenivka, Chernihiv Oblast. The same site had previously been targeted by a Lancet strike in September 2025. Taking position near the front line, then sudden contact. A Russian serviceman comes under attack from a Ukrainian FPV drone while preparing a firing position. For a brief moment, the drone rapidly closes the distance, forcing an immediate reaction. Remaining calm under pressure, the soldier quickly identifies the incoming threat and opens fire. The UAV is successfully brought down before it can reach its target. Without hesitation, the serviceman resumes his combat mission and continues operating in the area. The footage shows two armored vehicles belonging to the Ukrainian armed forces being neutralized in the Zaporizhia region. Similar to previous incidents involving trains and artillery, military equipment is positioned among civilian vehicles in a parking area. Lancet UAVs are shown delivering highly precise strikes against these targets. Sumy direction. The entire crew of the truck attempted to disable a Russian FPV drone using automatic weapons, but most of the soldiers did not have enough time to react. Those who managed to respond were unable to effectively engage the drone before it reached its target. Movement between Krasnoarmysk and Dmitrov, then aerial surveillance locks on. From a Russian perspective, fiber-optic FPV drone operators from the Irishman Strike Force monitor Ukrainian armed forces troop movement around the Krasnoarmysk, Dmitrov agglomeration during ongoing frontline operations. Personnel are spotted moving through exposed terrain and urban edge areas while attempting to reposition between cover points. From above, the drone operators maintain continuous visual contact, carefully tracking every movement. Using stable fiber-optic FPV systems resistant to electronic interference, the drones maneuver with precision while closing the distance toward the moving group. The intensity of fighting around Huliapol has increased sharply, with both sides engaged in heavy combat. Footage shows FPV drone operators from the Vostok group striking Ukrainian personnel, armored vehicles, and other military equipment. These actions have disrupted unit rotations and logistics, forcing troops to move on foot in difficult winter conditions, further complicating operations in the area. Ukrainian soldiers were moving forward under the assumption that the fog provided sufficient cover. However, a Russian fiber-optic drone suddenly emerged in front of them, exposing their advance. Movement near Ukrainka, then a rocket system comes into view. Russian FPV drone operators detect a Ukrainian BM-21 Grad in the Kharkov region during ongoing frontline operations. From above, the launcher remains under close aerial observation as the drones track its position and movement across the area. The operators carefully adjust their approach, maintaining visual contact while closing the distance. Within moments, the FPV drones commit to the engagement. Kharkiv region. During daily operations, Russian drone operators carried out multiple precision engagements, disabling several Ukrainian ATVs, pickup trucks, tanks, armored vehicles, and self-propelled howitzers. A Russian FPV drone crew successfully struck a Ukrainian transport vehicle in the vicinity of the settlement of Tamarganovka, demonstrating the continued use of precision drone operations to disrupt enemy movements. Soldiers of the 244th Brigade in the Kharkiv region used fiber-optic FPV drones to carry out an ambush against enemy infantry, demonstrating precise control and effective drone-based engagement. From a Russian perspective, aerial surveillance and Provad fiber-optic FPV drone operators track a Ukrainian Roshel senator moving through the sector during ongoing frontline operations. The vehicle remains under continuous observation as reconnaissance drones relay its position in real time. Using a stable fiber-optic connection resistant to interference, the FPV drone operators carefully guide their approach while maintaining precise visual control. The distance steadily closes. Despite the armored protection of the vehicle, the drones continue tracking from above before committing to the strike. Multiple front lines, one coordinated drone campaign. From a Russian perspective, this extended footage showcases the operations of the Rubicon Combat Group across Donbass, the Sumy region, Krasny Liman, and the Belgorod direction during ongoing combat activity. Reconnaissance drones continuously scan roads, forest belts, trench systems, and movement corridors, relaying real-time intelligence to frontline units. Across several sectors, FPV drone operators track Ukrainian troop movement and vehicle activity before moving in for precision engagements. The footage also highlights the growing role of air defense elements operating alongside drone teams. Crews monitor the airspace for incoming UAV threats while maintaining protection for frontline positions and logistical routes under constant aerial pressure. In multiple sequences, operators use rapid coordination between surveillance drones and strike FPVs to maintain continuous battlefield awareness. Targets are tracked across open terrain, wooded areas, and damaged urban outskirts, showing how drone warfare now shapes nearly every stage of frontline operations. The compilation reflects the increasing integration of reconnaissance, air defense, and FPV strike capabilities into a single operational network, where speed of detection and rapid response have become critical on the modern battlefield. Frontline operations continue as the antagonist group releases new combat footage published on May 9, 2026, showcasing coordinated drone activity and battlefield engagements across active sectors. From a Russian perspective, the video highlights the group's use of reconnaissance UAVs and FPV drones to monitor movement, identify positions, and support ongoing frontline operations. Operators maintain continuous aerial surveillance over roads, trench systems, forest belts, and damaged urban areas, relaying real-time intelligence to nearby units. Several sequences show drone teams carefully tracking troop movement and equipment before moving in for precision engagements. The footage emphasizes the increasing role of unmanned systems in maintaining battlefield awareness, where even small movements can quickly be detected from above. The compilation also demonstrates the coordination between reconnaissance assets and strike operators, allowing rapid responses once targets are identified. Across different environments, from open terrain to concealed positions, the drones maintain visual contact while maneuvering under combat conditions. Overall, the material reflects how specialized drone groups continue to shape modern frontline operations through persistent aerial observation, rapid target acquisition, and coordinated FPV strike tactics. Follow for more frontline updates.